Now let's say you know someone who wants to live in the hottest market in the United States right now, in a coveted neighborhood. It's nestled between Tarrytown, Rosewood, and the UT campus. You're going to want to see this. I like the red in the custom front door. It gives you that color pop that a lot of people want in a neutral colored home. So I'm also noticing that there's a smart thermostat. So that's great because you can control the temperature of your home from your phone. Notice how large these windows are. You have so much natural light. I'm also checking out this fan. The blades are long, which means as it's rotating and cooling you off, it's not going to be too loud. I can really appreciate this cedar beam that separates the living area from the kitchen. So that's really nice because in an open concept, you enjoy that separation. So notice the full baseboards and also that this is a hardwood floor, natural hardwood, original hardwood, and it goes all the way from the foyer in the front to the kitchen. Listen, you don't want hardwood in your kitchen because if something were to spill, it'll ruin your very nice hardwood floors. I would say this kitchen is well designed and spacious. Look, you've got the tile on the floor that is non-slip, if you're clumsy. And the subway tile is appropriately trendy, but the posh is leveled up by the quartz countertops. You get the vented hood over the 5-burner gas range, a Whirlpool dishwasher, your wine cooler, and it comes with a fridge that has one of those little buttons. So you can open it and you have the main section, but then you press the button and now you have the condiments section. But here's the sauce. Sliding spice rack next to the oven, under cabinet trash and recycling pull-out. And all of your mahogany drawers have that really cool soft close feature. Look. Ah. So coming around the corner from the living room, you have 2 bedrooms over here, your guest bathroom, and then you have a laundry area right here where you don't have far to travel before you get to your master bedroom if you're carrying your clothes. You have a phenomenal master bedroom. Notice it's spacious. You have vaulted ceilings with a ceiling fan to keep you cool in the evening. There's a double-sided closet. Look at this. I can walk right on through from one side to the other. Right now there's a queen-size bed, but I could easily see you being able to fit a king. It's large enough for that. And there's still enough room for a desk. Oh, I gotta point out that there's a patio door from your master bedroom, so that's fantastic. Still have room for a dresser. And I know you can't take your eyes off of this gorgeous barn-style door. And when you slide it open, what do you think's behind here? Your master bathroom. I can easily see myself sinking into this jetted tub. It is really nice. It has quartz around it. There's shelving to make sure you have a place to put all your towels and your linens. God, this is nice. And check out this oversized standing shower. It's got a heavy custom glass door. Oh, it's one of those invisible things, isn't it? Yes. I think everything in here is custom. From the shower head to the fixtures here, gosh, to the cedar shelves. I think even the tiles are custom. Look at this. This is really nice. Okay, enough being enamored with the bathroom. It is nice though. Let's take a look at the outside. Well, this is cool. I like this. What are you doing? Well, yeah, I wanted to show people how easy it was to access the kitchen from the back patio. This is perfect for entertaining. I mean, yeah, that makes sense. Very good. Thank you. How about you? I'm just relaxing, enjoying the breeze. Well, did you tell them about how much shade they're gonna have in the summertime? People wanna know that sort of stuff. These trees are huge. No, not really. Right, that's what I thought. Yeah, this is a good spot. Perfect for entertaining. As long as someone likes a touch of modern, has the trendy acumen to be able to spot a good opportunity and the financial resources to take action, this could be the perfect spot for them. Be sure to take a look at this and every other home, you know where.